There's a new bird in town, and its name is, wait for it, the subantarctic rayadito. Listen to it peep. Scientists in Chile recently announced they'd discovered the new bird species in the country's Diego Ramirez Islands. The incredible find was reported in the magazine Nature. According to lead researcher Ricardo Rozzi, the subantarctic rayadito has some serious survival skills. They evolved to live in what might be considered unfriendly terrain. Their habitat at the southernmost point in South America contains no trees and very little vegetation. Because of that, they make their nests in holes in the ground. It took the better part of a decade for Rozzi and his team to find 13 members of the subantarctic rayadito species. It can't have been easy. The birds aren't very big, weighing only half an ounce. And the little birds that could are a testament to both the fragility and strength of our ecosystems. This is Inside Edition Digital.